I'm Vincent. First of all, I would like to thank Sad Ali for the far he's taken me. I was interested in joining Forex trading, though I didn't have any concept. So I was searching around, asking people, maybe can you take me through Forex trading, So I had to research by myself and know how I'll make a step forward to know and to get how Forex is working. So I researched and found this very beautiful academy, Forex Beginners Academy by Sad Ali. So far I've learned a lot from Sad Ali. He's a very good, I can say he's a mentor, by now I know how to use, I know how to read charts, I know how to use the Fibonacci retracement in an uptrend or a downtrend. I know how to use the moving average. I know when maybe the market will change, I know how to use support and resistance, support and resistance. I know how to draw the trend lines, the channels, and this is because of Sad Ali. I would like to thank you very much, since I didn't know anything about trading, and so now I have the concept. I have the concept about Forex trading, and now we have a group, a private group, where we share our charts, where we share maybe what we know, and so we can correct each other. It's a very good family, and we thank Sad Ali for this.